Well, Sonny folk, we walked all the way around the pond again. So, yeah, there's that. And Sonny K is trying to hit me with the cast. She's sitting down. Her feet are a bit tired, which is fine. I understand. The Ultra Finesse has been doing the trick so far. Let's see if it continues, I suppose.
Little bass.
Bass?
Yep, bass. Thank you, buddy. Thank you, little baby.
White bass, white perch. You hear me? White perch. Thicky. Thick. Not big. Huh?
Yeah. All right, I got ya. Yep. Ooh, you cold, buddy. Thank you, buddy. Thank you very much.
Oh, biggin. It's a big crappie. It's a humongous crappie. Don't break on me. It's not humongous, but it's big. And we never catch anything on this side. Well, I don't. Over 10 inches. I say humongous, but it's the biggest one that we caught today. Thank you, Mr. Crappie. Bye-bye. Not as big. Bluegill. Thank you, baby.
Yeah. Oh, fish. There you go.
Pull down my plastic. I didn't know it was as shallow as it is. It must be in the middle, it gets deeper. Well, it's not too late. You want to get the kayak? I agree. I was just teasing.
We'll be able to make a video.
Yep. Ha ha! Yep.
There you go.
Son of K, I couldn't do it. And I did it.
I'm not getting there and nibble.
Yeah, it wasn't, you know, I got a few bites. Maybe it's just this side over here. But I had to let it fall. And like I said, it's not super deep, so. Thank you, baby. It's a long way down. You don't have no key. There's a fish right there, see?
Okay.
What is that? Got him. Crappie, I think. What is this? Largo. See? See, Sonny K? See?
Throw this out there and not get nothing.
All right, Sonny folk, we have to switch up the plan B today. Sonny K's arch nemesis walking. But we still did all right. We still caught some fish. What, at least 3 species, 4 species. So that was pretty cool. Sonny K said we should have fought through the wind. So next time maybe Sonny T will be in the front, Sonny K will be in the back. But we did it, did good. We walked around the whole pond once we get to the Jeep. And caught some fish. Hope y'all like it. It was fairly chilly. Cold front came in last night. But the fish didn't seem to mind, not here at Killens at least. Ultralight jigs seem to be the pattern. This is Sunny K and Sunny T coming at y'all. Hoping y'all have a sunny day.
Don't forget that thumbs up.
Thumbs up,
Subscribe, tell your friends.
like, share. Y'all have a sunny day. Bye-bye.